Did you know that a powerful thumbnail can skyrocket your click-through rate by up to 60%? That's the difference between your content being seen or scrolled past. In today's video, I'm reliving my step-by-step system for creating eye-catching thumbnail designs, posters, or any graphic piece, using AI tools that will stop viewers in their tracks. Whether you are a content creator struggling to get noticed, a small business owner looking to stand out, or a designer wanting to step up your workflow, this guide will transform how you approach visual design. In this video, I will show you exactly how to harness ChatGPT, Gemini, and other AI tools to create professional-grade graphics in minutes instead of hours. For this first example, we're gonna use Mistral to generate ideas for brainstorming. So here, I just wanna type, help me creating a brainstorm for a design of a thumbnail for a video about how to create agents using AI. This is one of the videos I made before. And then we just send the request. And as you can see, in a matter of seconds, you have tips on the considerations on how to design. So from here, we know what to avoid and also what is the things that we should consider when we design our thumbnail. And also in this example, I just put like, give me ideas on how to design a thumbnail, but you can do anything. So you can have a client that asks you to design a poster for his restaurant. So you can also type, help me to prompt these ideas on how to do a poster for a restaurant. And so on. So you can type anything, and then you can use Mistral, ChatGPT, and any language model is good at this moment. Okay, so now that we already have our base, I'm just gonna type, can you help me creating a prompt to generate an image of a thumbnail, a YouTube thumbnail for this video, and then we just send the request. And let's see. So now we already have our thumbnail. As you can see, design a captivating YouTube thumbnail for a video, title, create blah, blah, blah. And here, based on this, so here we just copy the prompt, we take it from here, and then we go to ChatGPT. I'm using this case ChatGPT because at the moment that I'm doing this video is the best image generator available at the moment. There are also other alternatives like Recraft that I used to use more before because it has more generations per day, whereas ChatGPT has around 5 or 6. I think it's depending on the changes that you ask to do. So here we just copy our prompt, and here I'm gonna change just a little bit at the beginning. I'm just gonna type generate an image of a YouTube thumbnail for a video. So this is the prompt that we have. And here, just send. And let's see what is our result. Okay, and the other example is when you already have the idea, the concept. I'm using this notepad to sketch, to do a quick drawing of what I want to have in the video. This is really, really useful when you don't like the prompts that generated Mistral. So in this case, you can do exactly as you want. I already have this drawing that I made. I'm just gonna put it on the screen. And here, what is cool, the same with ChatGPT, the new image generator, you can just attach this drawing and tell ChatGPT to generate a more finalized version of this drawing. So when we use a sketch, we have to be very, very detailed at the moment of creating the prompt. So for example, as I'm showing here on the screen, I put turn this sketch into a hyper-realistic YouTube thumbnail. Then we tell the format, which is 1920 by 1080. Then we said that the text with the arrows are instructions about the details to follow. Then we use a dramatic tech blue and purple lighting with digital particles effects. The style should be sleek, futuristic, and professional with a clean digital aesthetic that conveys advanced technology and intelligence. Once it's done, we just click on submit and we wait what is the result. So there are some considerations when we design using AI, especially ChatGPT. One of the considerations is that when we have a title or we have a text in our thumbnail, most of the cases it crops the text for some reason. So to avoid that, I prefer to have the image without any title. And then I put the title on top of the image using Canva or Photoshop or whatever tool you prefer to do that. The other consideration is even if you put the dimensions of your thumbnail, so in our case I put 1920 by 1080, ChatGPT for some reason it doesn't make the image in that format. And always, for some reason, I don't know why, it creates an image more like a 4:3 aspect ratio. Also, for example, if you want to change the format, you can use tools like Flux to change the aspect ratio, or I use also Recraft. And there are also another tools like ideogram, so you can generate a new image based on an image that you already have. So for example, you can create the basic draft for your thumbnail using ChatGPT, and then you can use Recraft or ideogram to do some variations on your image. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you like it, please thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click in the notification bell to receive notifications on my new videos. And remember, the AI we are living in today is just the beginning. The best is yet to come. See you guys next time. Bye bye.